Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see when a job was posted on Indeed. Start by opening your web browser and go to Indeed. Wait for the homepage to fully load. Once you are on the site, use the search bar at the top to enter the job title or keywords you are interested in. You can also enter a location if needed. Then press the search button to see the list of available jobs. Now scroll through the results and look for the job you want to learn more about. When you find a suitable listing, click on the job title. This will open the job details page. On this page, you will see information like the job description, company name, and requirements. Next, move your attention to the right side of the screen. Here you will often find a button or link that takes you to the original job posting on the company's website. Click on that link. Once the new page opens, scroll down slowly. Look carefully through the job description and details. Somewhere on this page, you should find the published date of the job. This tells you when the job was originally posted. Keep in mind that if a job was posted more than 30 days ago, it may not show the exact date. Instead, it will display something like 30+ days ago. However, if the job was posted within the last 30 days, you will usually see the exact number of days since it was published. This method helps you better understand how recent a job posting is before applying. Thanks for watching.